We are nurses and proud to be a nurses' presence.
National Florence Nightingale Nurses Awards are given as a mark of recognition for the meritorious services rendered by nursing professionals in the country. This award is presented on 12th of May every year on the occasion of the birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale. Award is given to The award consists of cash award of rupees 50,000, a certificate and a medal. Apart from the nursing personnel working in the state, central, autonomous institutions, the nursing personnel working in private, missionary, and voluntary organizations are also eligible for the National Florence Nightingale Nurses Award. Government of India invites the application or nominations from the nurses in the following three categories, namely Registered Auxiliary Nurses and Midwives 17, Registered Nurses and Midwife 30, Registered Lady Health Visitors 4. Number award may be increased coming year also. Eligible criteria: minimum 10 years of experience in the respective category. In case of extraordinary performance, age may not be a constraint. The nominations should be called from state government, central government, private institutions or missionaries, and prominent voluntary organizations of the concerned state. All nominations should be handled by the Secretary, Health and Family Welfare of the concerned state except central government institutions, autonomous organizations. Central government institutions like universities, paramilitary forces, military nursing forces, AIIMS, ESI, railways and ordnance factories, etc., may directly send the applications to the Indian Nursing Council, that is INC, through the head of institutions. Application in the prescribed proforma should be accompanied by 2 passport size photographs. Second thing, biodata with qualification and registration certificates, summary of achievements, and documents in support thereof as desired in the criteria. Draft citation not exceeding 1 page. Application duly recommended and complete in all respects should be sent to the President, Indian Nursing Council, 8th floor, NBCC Center, plot number 2, Community Center, Okhla Phase 1, New Delhi 110020. Application received after the last date will not be entertained. Criteria for selection of RN/RM hospital service or public health nurses. Supportive documents required for all criteria mentioned below. First, educational qualification. Additional qualification beyond essential requirement for his or her job, that is staff nurse. Essential requirement minimum GNM. Qualification certificates to be enclosed. Additional qualification by undergoing courses for more than 6 months relevant or beneficial to nursing practice, that is specialized nursing skills and education. Second, years of experience. Third, special contributions as a practicing nurse at hospital or community, that is staff nurse or public health nurse. The nurse in her or his regular job in the hospital contributes to improve patient and family care by exceeding the limitations of the job functions. Supportive documents in Hindi or English translated version if it is in local language, that is Punjabi or Tamil. Local language certificates also to be enclosed. Excellent clinical nurse involving in development or participation in any new nursing care interventions or patient teaching material.
Innovative activities or outstanding contributions in nursing practice, acting as role model to improve quality of care impacting measurable patient care outcomes. Development and organization of a nursing unit of responsibility, specialized role, unit vascular nurse, pain nurse, IV therapy nurse, etc., that provides extraordinary care to patients by increasing own skills and knowledge, developing staff, procuring supplies and equipments, streamlining techniques, and maintaining team spirit, resulting in recognition to the institution. Or the nurse in her or his regular job in the community and any other community health related voluntary organization contributes to improve client, family, and community care by exceeding the limitations of the job functions. Exemplary services with a creative and pioneering spirit in the area of public health that have resulted significant impact on nursing profession or healthcare provision over a sustained period of time. Development of a community or section of community in promotion of their collective health status through increasing their own skills and knowledge, staff development, procuring supplies and resources, and maintaining interdisciplinary team spirit and cooperation that resulted in bringing recognition to the organization, healthcare team, state, or nation. Participation and extraordinary contribution in community health affairs, volunteering, service activities with an innovative outlook, particularly among vulnerable population and also in national health programs, that is, exemplary work among disabled children and women related to health or social development. The nurse who has regular job in the hospital or community demonstrates special contribution or association towards the activities or programs in any one or more, that is, leprosy control, tuberculosis, HIV and AIDS, cancer care, palliative care, mental health, geriatric management, special children's, that is, mentally retarded, physically challenged, underprivileged, other communicable and non-communicable diseases and national health programs and any other. The nurse who has regular job but in times of crisis events such as accidents, fire, flood, famine, etc. that may occur at any time performs the following heroic acts regardless of one's own time, safety and possessions. Testimonies from authorities or agencies for exceptional services. Rescuing a person under hazardous conditions, performing life-saving techniques with a successful outcome, prevention of a catastrophe by taking initiative or assuming leadership without official sanction, firefighting, evacuation, mob control, remaining at post over an extended period of time which aids in recovery of a group or community following a disaster such as organizing communication, nutrition, first aid, evacuation or other activities that are essential during emergencies. Testimonies from authorities or agencies for exceptional services to be enclosed. Fourth, in-service education, continuing nursing education at conference, seminar, workshop. Local or state level, copy of participation certificate or letter to be enclosed. National or international level. Fifth, member in professional organizations or statutory bodies or accrediting agencies, etc. Membership certificate to be enclosed. Sixth, recognition or awards received. Local or state level, national or international level, copy of award certificates to be enclosed. Working in tribal or hilly or remote or difficult area, working with tribal community, in remote areas where no or less transport, electricity, and basic amenities are available. Difficult areas such as traveling by foot or boat for long distance to reach people for providing service certified by competent authority. In the absence of certified copy of competent authority, place of posting will be considered. If local language certificate like Tamil, Punjabi, Malayalam, Haryanvi, Telugu, Bihari, Kannada, etc. should translate certificate to English or Hindi language must attach with local language certificate with applications also. We are nurses, proud to be a nurse. For more nursing related knowledge and practical skills and positive attitude, updates information, just one click our website www.wearenurses.org. Thank you for watching this video. For more nursing knowledge trending video, please subscribe our channel We Are Nurses, proud to be a nurse, and waiting for your lovable likes and share and comments. Thank you respected all my dear family nurses.